What's going on, everybody? This is MVT here with another app review, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the best photo editor on the App Store today, in my opinion, and it is called Photo Editor by Aviary. That's Aviary, right there, and it looks like that. Really nice design. So let's get on into it. Go ahead and click into it after you're done. It's gonna ask you to if it can access your camera roll, and you're gonna allow it, and then it's gonna allow you to, or it's gonna put you into this where you can scroll through all your photos. For this example, we're gonna use this picture of a 3 Series or 2001 BMW 3 Series. So right here it is. Okay, so let's get on into it. Really clean interface here. At the top, you're gonna have a cancel and done button. The cancel button is for if you don't want edits that you put on the picture. If you don't want them, you just go ahead and click cancel, and it will revert it to the original photo. So at the bottom here, we do have all these different tabs here. So let's go ahead and go through them. You have enhance, effects, frame, stickers, orientation, focus, crop, adjust, sharpness, splash, draw, text, red eye, whiten, blur, blemish, and meme. So let's go ahead and go to enhance and start from here. You have 5 buttons here that edit the photo. You have high def, scenery. So let's just go ahead and click high def, changes it to a high def photo. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. We have scenery, which brightens it up a little bit. We have food, so if you're taking a picture of a particular food item, zoom in a little bit here, that option is best for that. So then you have portrait and night. Let's go back into the second tab. You have effects. This does come preloaded with a whole bunch of effects here. You can also do an in-store purchase or in-app purchase and buy more effects. So let's go ahead and go to the original preloaded ones here. You have Clyde, Avenue, Haas, Arizona, Lucky, Dean, Key Lime, Boardwalk, Sentosa, Sage, Metropolis, and Cruise. Let's go ahead and click cancel. Now frames, I don't really use that many frames, but when editing photos, but it does come preloaded with a bunch here. Pistol, Ivory, Punch, Instant, Studio, Antique, Splatter, and all these other ones here, which add a really cool frame to your photos. You also do have stickers, so if you have like you're trying to edit a selfie or something, you do have all these different kinds of little bow ties, glasses, and speech bubbles and all that kind of stuff that you can add to it. There is also other little stickers here, and you could also purchase with the in-app purchase, but they do come preloaded. Then you have orientation, which of course flips it. Let's change it to this right here. After orientation, you do have focus. So just like on Instagram, you could change the focus here to say if you want to focus on just the tire or the wheel or the rim, focus on that, and the rest of the car is blurred. Or if you want to focus on this car over here, it will focus on that, and everything else will be blurred. You do have linear also, so you could focus to a rectangle shaped area. After that, you do have crop. You get to freely crop the photo, or they do have set dimensions that you could crop, which does come in handy. Next we have adjust. So now this is where you can adjust all your brightness, your contrast, the warmth, and the saturation. Go ahead and click apply. After that, you do have sharpness. This is basically if you want how sharp your image to be, or how blurry you want it to be. If you want it to be a little blurry, if you want it to be more sharper and crisp. Next we have splash, and this basically puts the whole picture in black and white, and then you get to click free color. You could zoom in, and then you could set which part of the picture you want to be colored. So you could have this whole part right here colored, while the whole background is black and white, or you could have the whole background colored while you have just the main part of the photo black and white. Let's go ahead and cancel and go on. Then we have draw. This just basically allows you to draw on the photo. So you get to pick your size of the stencil and then just draw. Just like that. So let's go back. Then you do have text. So this anything, you could change the color and go on from that. You do have red eye. So if you have a picture of a group of people or just yourself, and you have again that red eye effect, and then you could go ahead and click the red eye and it will remove that. Whiten allows you to whiten teeth, which is actually a pretty cool effect. Blur blurs out any part of the image. And then you have blemishes and meme. Meme, you could create those memes that you see online. So you have, let's just pull up BMW. Done. So that's the top portion, and then the bottom portion. And there you go. Apply, you press done, and then you can share it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or others. You can email it, you could print it to Walgreens, you could text it, and when you press done, it automatically saves to your gallery. So there you have it, guys. This has been the photo editor by Aviary. Recommend you guys go check it out for your photo editing needs. It's been MVT. Peace.